Hello everyone, I am Zian Khan Pathan and today I am going to present a game made by me and my team called CipherQuest. It is for the next generation of tech explorers of age 15 to 17 to teach them about different cryptographic techniques by making them encrypt and decrypt different words. So let's start by visiting our game link. So let us log into our account. Here we can see my rank, level, XP, name and badge. Here are all the ranks that can be achieved by increasing our XP. First, let me mute the audio and start the tutorial. This tutorial is showed when the user visits the game for the very first time. It gives them the context and explains different modules of the game. So now let's start with the training. Training consists of animations of step-by-step working of different encryption techniques. For example, Caesar cipher. Here I can select encryption shift key and start the animation. This will show me step-by-step encryption of each word of the word cipher. I can navigate through these two buttons. Let us also try another animation, for example, Merkle tree. Here too, the encryption is shown step by step. We have tried to add interactive shift keys wherever possible and kept somewhere static for simplicity in complex algorithms. So this was training. Now let us go to story mode. In story mode, we have to encrypt words on the basis of given encryption technique and keys. It consists of different sectors with different levels in each sector. And last final level is based on simplified version of quantum encryption. On completing each sector, user is rewarded with a completion certificate and some XPs. Let us start a game. This chat gives context to the user and explains them the mission they have to carry out. In this game, we can see the encryption key, number of chances available, and you can also request for hint. Let us request for hint. The first hint explains us the encryption key to use. Following up, we can also get hints particular to our question. Let us solve the question and move forward. So I have solved this question. Now let us execute it. It is correct, so we can move on to the next level. Now let us try the quantum level. Here we have tried to simplify quantum encryption by explaining them rough concepts of qubits, that they have different states and they can change their state. Here they have to toggle between the on and off state of qubits and turn all of the qubits to on state. So we will leave this for now and move forward. On completing the story, the name of user becomes highlighted in rainbow color like this. Moving on to Cipher Lab, here we have to decrypt the given word on the basis of given encryption. Here we can see the rules and leaderboard. Let us start with the lab. Here we can see our target algorithm, and here the particular key to use will be shown. We can also use Intel here, but this will cost us XP, unlike story where it was free. Here XP will reveal us the alphabets of the word. Now we can also see time here, so the XP rewarded will be based on hints used and time taken. Let us solve this and move forward. So I have solved this. Now let us submit it. It's correct. So I have earned XPs. Here we can see the particular key for this question. Okay, so let us return. As you can see, I have earned some XPs. So I have been promoted to new rank because I have crossed 100 XPs. Okay, so now let's visit multiplayer. In multiplayer, we have to decrypt the given words, but here we can challenge our friends by challenging them for 1, 3, 5 or 7 rounds. Here also we can see the leaderboard. Now let me send request to my friend Deep for 1 round. Okay, so let me send request to my friend Deep. So I have sent him request. Now we'll wait for him. So he has accepted it. Okay, so here we have to shift +5. So in decryption, we have to keep in mind that we don't have to use +5. Instead, we have to reverse engineer it and apply decryption, that is use -5 to decrypt it because it has been encrypted using +5. So on decrypting this, we will get, okay, so answer is champion because we have applied reverse engineered it and applied -5 to decrypt the question. Okay, so I have encoded it first and I have 115 XPs. The XPs are also rewarded on the basis of time taken. Okay, so we'll return to network and we can see my XP is increased. So that was our game. Thank you for giving us this opportunity. Bye bye.